Hello children. In the last class of our conversation class, we have done half of the chapter myself and my family. Today we will do rest of the questions that we should know about the chapter myself and my family. So, the first question is, what is your mother's name? You will have to tell your mother's name. So, what will you answer? You will answer, my mother's name is dash. You will have to say your mother's name after is. My mother's name is. Then you will have to say your mother's name. What is our next question? Let's see. How many brother or brothers do you have? If you have one brother, you will say brother. If you have more than one brother, you will say brothers. So, how many brother do you have? I have dash brother. If you have one brother only, you will say I have one brother. But if you have more than one brother, you will say I have two brothers or three brothers or four brothers, like this. Okay. So, for one brother, you will say, I have one brother. And if you have more than one brother, you will say, I have two brothers. I have three brothers, like this. Our next question. How many sister or sisters do you have? Your answer will be, I have dash sister or sisters. So, as in case of brother, here also it will be same. If you have one sister, you will say I have one sister. If you have more than one sister, you will say I have two sisters or three sisters or four sisters, like this. So, if I ask you how many sisters do you have, you will say I have one sister. If I say how many sisters do you have, if you have more than one sister, you will say I have two sisters or three sisters or four sisters. Our next question. Do you love your family? So, all of us love our family very much. So, what will be your answer? It will be, yes, I love my family very much. You will say, yes, I love my family very much. Okay, so from the previous video, our last video of our conversation class, we have learned 4 questions, and in this video we have learned another 4 questions. So we have completed the chapter myself and my family. So let us revise quickly. What is your mother's name? My mother's name is dash. You will have to say your mother's name. Next is, how many brother do you have? If you have one brother, you will say I have one brother. And if you have more than one brother, you will say I have two brothers or three brothers, like this. Next, in case of sister, what will you say? How many sister do you have? If you have one sister, you will say I have one sister. If you have more than one sister, you will say I have two sisters or three sisters or four sisters. And in the last, if someone asks you, do you love your family? What will you say? You will say, yes, I love my family very much. Okay, so we have completed the chapter Myself and My Family. Next day we will continue our class with some revision work. Till then, stay safe, study. Thank you.